for you, and it's a 787 Dreamliner going by. Let me get to him. Maybe you guys can see him. Here he is. He's passing overhead. So, I think it's a Turkish Airlines. So, he's flying in. So, here we are. Yeah, I think it's a 787. Shut up! It's a 787 Dreamliner, and he's headed for Bush. So he's at a good altitude. And we have another plane just now coming in. And a big boy is going somewhere. So, we're gonna let this other guy go behind. This great big giant. And there's the other plane. It's starting to pass through. I can definitely see him. So, you can see where he is. There he is, and here's a smaller plane. So you try to follow that big. Yeah, they're a couple of 100 feet behind. What would happen if this big heavy plane flew right? Okay, let's see. But here we are. We got two planes going in. So we're gonna put this on YouTube. Here we go.